Hello friends, Namaste. Today we are going to see simple paper bag craft of 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. Now to make this craft, we will require old visiting cards. They are one side plain. We will need the paper bags. You can take any size, any color, what you find at home. You will need a newspaper. You will need a bottle cap. If you don't have a bottle cap, you can also use the lid of your medicine, the medicine cup. You can use. You will need a pencil. You will need the stick from the old broom, crayons, glue stick, tape, bindis or the sticker which mama puts. So these are the materials which we will need to begin with. Now take a bottle cap or a medicine cup, put it on a visiting card and start tracing the circle shapes on it. We will need 5 circles because we need to make 5 monkeys. So keep tracing. So if you will trace near, you will be able to take out 3 circles from one visiting card, and then we take the other one and we trace the circles on that. Now we have the 5 circles traced on 2 visiting cards. Once we have drawn the 5 circles, now we need to cut them out. So when you are cutting the circles, be very careful with the scissors. Either use a child-friendly, child-safe scissors or take the help of mama or papa to cut the circles for you. So we are taking the scissors, cutting the circles, and now we have cut the circle from the visiting card. We need 5 circles like that. I have kept the 5 circles ready for the 5 faces of our 5 monkeys. Now from the newspaper, we need to cut a strip like this. So again, be careful when you are cutting this strip. Now when we are ready with it, the next is take a circle, take a pencil, and we need to draw the face of the monkey on this circle. Now how we are going to draw? Very easy. On the down part of the circle, make a big oval like an egg. Now turn the circle so that the oval is vertical and write a 3 touching the oval. And now the small circles inside, and our monkey face is ready. Let us make this monkey a smiley monkey, a big smile. So this is how we are going to draw on all our 5 circles. 5 faces of the monkeys are drawn and are ready. Now once we have drawn the face, now we need to give it an outline. Since the visiting cards are soft and slippery from back, the color might not work well on it. So what we will do, we will take a black and a red pen. You can take a sketch pen. If you don't have a sketch pen, black pen you can take. And we can do the outline of the eyes and fill the small circle of the eyes inside. So our eyes look bright. Now take the red pen. Now we will make the mouth with the red pen, and we will give our monkey a big smile. But the monkey has 2 ears also. So now very easy way, take one sticker and either you cut it carefully into half or ask mama to cut it and give you. Now we have a round sticker cut into 2 halves. Now we will paste the sticker on the monkey's face to make ears. Now our monkey is ready. We can also use, instead of the sticker, a U shape. We can cut a small U shape from the brown envelope paper again, and we can make ears with that also. Or the easy way is to use the sticker, cut it into two and make it. Now our 5 monkeys are ready with their ears and a big smile. Now we need to take the piece of the broomstick, take a tape and cut it carefully and tape the stick on the face of the monkey, and our monkey puppet is ready. Same way we need to give a stick stand to all our 5 monkeys. Now what bed, the strip we had cut, we will make a bed out of it. Now what we will do, we will take a strip, give it a small one fold and a second fold. Other side again, a small one fold and a second fold. Now we will take our envelope on, we will turn the envelope, the open side will go in our hand. So the bed has to be on top. So we will put the envelope and take the glue stick, put the glue on the first fold on both the sides of the strip. Now we are going to stick our bed. So the 5 little monkeys were jumping on the bed. So we need a bed for them. So now we have our bed ready. And what a yellow and green bright bed sheet the monkeys have. Our bed is ready on the envelope and our 5 monkeys are ready. But how we can make them jump on the bed? Very simple. Put the envelope on your hand, take one monkey and with the stick slightly push it down, making a hole in the envelope. Now we will take another monkey little away so that the head will find place. Slowly make a hole in the envelope. Be careful when you are making a hole. Don't tear the whole envelope. Again take another monkey and we push it down. Now one more monkey. If your envelope is small, you can make smaller monkeys. If your envelope is big, you can make big monkeys. And my 5th monkey also is going down. Now all my 5 monkeys are on the bed and I can put my hand inside and make them jump. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. Now one fell down and broke his head. Mama called the doctor. Now where is Mama? We can also make Mama on the envelope. So let's make Mama. Now to make the Mama, we need 2 big eyes. Yes, oval and a curve. Mama has big eyes. Mama can see us from anywhere. And Mama is always smiling and doing all our work. So a big smile for Mama. And we can give a sticker also for Mama. So we have Mama also ready to scold the monkeys when they are jumping and call the doctor when they are falling. Now we can do the story or our song using this very simple paper puppets for 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. For more such interesting and creative crafts, please subscribe to Key Kids TV and keep watching the new videos we post. Thank you.